where we provide services like abacus classes, Vedic math classes, franchises, preschool, franchises and many more services. And I am so grateful to work here as a business development executive. Since from 6th last month I am working here as a manager also, and it's a great experience I'm getting from this organization. And I just feel if you want to start your career as a self-executive in marketing or any other, as a teacher in role also, so you can come and visit the Guru Education Academy and Institute. It's very good environment here, and you will get very good knowledge and you will learn many more things at this organization, and you should start your career journey from this organization. Thank you.
Hello, this is Juhi. I'm working as a team leader. It's been a tremendous learning journey with Guru. Handling what's going on today's time, friendly experience, like appreciate the way they treat you with respect. Thank you.
Hello, this is Shubhangi Dhore from Guru Education India Private Limited. I'm working here from last 1 year. My journey with Guru from franchisee manager to a team leader was absolutely amazing. Guru is always a dream place which one always dreams of. Last but not the least, I would always thank Mr. Mahendra Giri for giving me this opportunity working as a franchisee manager and now as a team leader. Thank you.
Hi, this is Kajal Moore. I have started my journey from franchisee manager to team leader and now as a senior manager since last 5 years. Now, for an employee, it's a great and it's a proud moment to be a part of most admired brand in India, and we are existing with more than 6,000 plus franchises. My teammates, my colleagues are just like my family. I love this company and this is a great place to work, and I am committed to here to its success. Thank you so much.
I'm working in this organization since last 4 years and I'm very happy to work here. The environment is very positive. It's very, everyone are here helpful. So I am just very happy to work here and looking forward for many more years to work with this organization. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Soumya and I am working with Guru Education Private Limited. I am the franchisee manager of Guru Education. I'm happy to work with this organization because we give the opportunity to develop and build a new business. I'm very glad that I am into that profile where we are giving the opportunity to start a new setup, to start a new business where you can earn and you can be blessed.
Hello, I'm Chandrakanta Singh. Overall experience is very good. You learn a lot even whether you are fresher or experienced. I'm working since 5 years here. My work-life balance is good. Everyone is respectful as a team. Thank you.
Hello, myself Seema Dosad. I am a Abacus teacher in Guru Abacus. Learning Abacus is an easy and interesting way. I have an immense bond with my students and I believe in turning each and every child into a math magician. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Shivani, HR Executive at Guru Education India Private Limited. Self-analysis and skill enhancement on a weekly basis so that we could update our knowledge and to overcome our weaknesses over decades has made our organization who we are. Monthly rewards motivates our team to work more efficient and with utmost dedication. Thank you.
I am so happy to work here. I hope we can continue to grow in the future. For this, it's just a beginning. We have a long way to go. Thank you.
Hello, I am Pratik Sharma as Practice Manager in Guru Education Private Limited since July 2020. I just want to thank all of my colleagues to be always with me. I have learned many things from them, from communication to team management. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Nikita. This is my first job and I'm working with Guru since last 3 months. Till now, this is very fruitful journey of learning and I have experienced a lot of growth in my skills as a professional, and the staff and the office, it's very encouraging and positive, and I'm hoping for the best for my future. Thank you.
This company not only educates but also empowers the life of its employees. The staff here is very friendly and helpful and they always encourages new ideas. Thank you.
Hi, hello.
Hello, my name is Flora and I am a trainer at Guru Education. Education in Abacus means turning your ordinary students into extraordinary students, which means your students will increase their memory level, their concentration level, their listening capacity. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Shrishti. I'm very grateful to work in this organization as business executive. Everyone here is very helpful and supportive. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Shanti. I'm working here as a business development executive. I'm very glad to working in such an organization which is giving the great contribution in the educational field, not only in India but this organization is working globally. And apart from this, I'm feeling very great to working in such an organization which is giving the right direction to the children's educational career since last 10 years. So thank you.
I am Asmita Kure. I have been working in Guru Education since 1 month as franchisee manager. It has been a really amazing experience due to the friendly colleagues and the guidance by our managing director, Mr. Mahindra Giri. Guru Education has provided me a huge platform for my success as a fresher. Looking forward for more and more education over here. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nidaf sir and I am here in Guru Education as a franchisee manager from last 6 months. If I talk about my experience in Guru Education Private Limited, this is a co-creation group where different people from the different background come together to give the education to different people. And we're making the people establishing in their business to start their business and start their earning. So this is completely, the business opportunity model we can provide to the people, to different area and different backgrounds. Thank you so much.
Hello, myself Farta, Vedic trainer of Guru Education. Vedic mathematics is the balancing power between two opposite qualities of its own nature, unify and diversify. Thank you.
Our company organizes lots of events to make employees feel appreciated. Our company has been constantly developing during the past 10 years and you are welcome to celebrate this great event because you are deserving it. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sagar from Guru Education India Private Limited. I hope we can continue to grow in the future. For this, it's a just beginning. We have a long way to go. Thank you.
Hello, I am Shubhangi, working here since 10 years. I am very grateful to work here. I am very happy and glad to be part of this family. Thank you.
Guru Education India Private Limited is one of the most trusted name in education sector. 2009, we are delivering quality educational solution to a large number of students across the world.